Pressure testing gas lines for leaks is essential. And yes, both galvanized steel and black iron pipe are permitted by the International Fuel Gas Code, so choose based on availability and local rules. When pressure testing natural gas and liquefied petroleum propane lines, start by isolating the section to be tested and remove all appliances or cap them securely. Use a calibrated test gauge and a pump capable of reaching the code-required test pressure. Typically 12 pounds per square inch gauge for new systems, but always verify the current edition of the code adopted by your jurisdiction. Purge the line of air only when required and follow the two-step testing approach. First, a low-pressure leak check to catch gross faults. Then hold the system at the specified test pressure for the mandated duration. Often 10 minutes for visible piping, but follow local amendments that may extend this. Use soapy water on fittings as a quick field check, but rely on pressure stability measured with a precision gauge for a definitive pass. Document pressure readings at start and end with timestamps and a signed log. When testing with liquefied petroleum propane, never introduce compressed air into cylinders or downstream appliances. Use inert test medium or the approved pressure test methods in the code and local authority having jurisdiction. Protect piping and components from overpressure. Install temporary pressure relief if test equipment could exceed safe limits, and never exceed manufacturer maximum working pressures for valves, regulators, or meters. If a pressure drop is detected, isolate and segment the run to perform a binary search. Close valves to bisect the system repeatedly until you localize the leak to a fitting or section. Repair using threaded joints or approved fittings, and reapply the identical test procedure. For welded or brazed repairs, follow manufacturer and code welding qualifications and perform post-weld leak testing. Always notify the local authority when required. Keep all tags, permits, and inspection reports accessible, and remove test caps only after the system has been certified and appliances reconnected by qualified personnel. One of the most common mistakes is improper test pressure selection, causing false failures or damage. Fix this by checking the exact test pressure and duration in the adopted International Fuel Gas Code edition and any local amendments before starting. Another frequent issue is relying solely on soapy water checks for invisible leaks. Use a calibrated gauge and log readings for legal proof and repeatability. The third problem is testing with air in systems that will operate on liquefied petroleum propane, risking oxygen and flammable mixture. Use inert gas for such tests or follow code-approved procedures, and never pressurize cylinders or regulators beyond their rating. BigHomeProjects.com lists licensed local contractors who perform certified gas line pressure testing and repairs, making it simple for homeowners to find qualified pros that meet code. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them to nearby projects and verified customer leads focused on safe gas line services.